It's summertime and everybody is out chilling and grilling. I've been grilling a lot of chicken lately, it seems, and I made some spicy Chipotle chicken the other day. It was so good. I have to share the marinade with you guys. So here I have a small can of Chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. I put it in my food processor. I have a handful of cilantro. I minced up some garlic. I grabbed a couple of limes, a couple of oranges, and I sliced up some red onion. This is the base of the marinade. Here I have my chicken thighs. I took the skin off, but you can leave it on if you want. I'm going to add in some olive oil. I'm going to add in that Chipotle pepper paste, and then basically everything that I just said. I don't know why I'm going through it again. I'm going to add all of those ingredients to the bowl, and then I'm going to start to add in some seasonings. I'm adding in some cumin, some smoked paprika, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. I'm also going to add in some Mexican oregano and a couple of tablespoons of one of my favorite seasonings. It's actually a marinade mix, but I use it as seasoning, the McCormick Mesquite. So I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of that too. And then I'm going to squeeze in my fresh lime juice and my fresh orange juice. Don't forget your salt. And then I wanted to make it spicy, girl. So I added in some sliced jalapeños. You're going to mix this well and you're going to cover it up. I like to let my meat marinate for about 2 days in the refrigerator. The flavor goes all the way down to the bone. Then all you have to do is just grill it or pop it in the oven. Use that extra marinade as a baste. You want to baste your chicken with it. This is so good and spicy, but if you like spicy, if you like a little spice in your life, you're gonna love it. Yum.